What if I told you there's a factory that can build intricate machines, power itself, recycle all of its own waste, and then copy the entire operation in just a few hours? Well, that factory isn't some sci-fi fantasy. It's real, and it's happening trillions of times over inside your body right this second. Every great factory needs a central office, right? A command center where all the master plans are kept safe. Well, for the cell, that place is the nucleus, and this is exactly where our protein story kicks off. Basically like a vault that keeps the blueprints for everything the cell will ever need to build totally safe. So, when the factory needs a new protein, it's not going to risk sending the original priceless DNA blueprint out onto the factory floor. Instead, it issues a work order. A specific gene, a single blueprint, is carefully copied into a temporary disposable message. That message is called messenger RNA or mRNA. Okay, so once that mRNA work order is made, it leaves the command center and heads out to the main factory floor. Our mRNA message, that work order, finds its way to a ribosome on the rough ER, which is our main assembly line. The ribosome reads the instructions on the mRNA and starts linking amino acids together, building our protein chain. This part is called translation. This is how your body makes absolutely critical proteins, like the insulin that manages your blood sugar or the antibodies that fight off infections. For all that, it has to go to the finishing, packaging, and shipping department, the Golgi apparatus. Our new protein arrives in a little transport bubble called a vesicle at the receiving end of the Golgi, which is called the cis face. As it moves through these stacks of membranes, it gets modified and fine-tuned. Think of this as adding the final touches and slapping on a shipping label. Finally, at the other end, the shipping department, or transface, the finished protein gets packaged into a brand new vesicle, ready for delivery. And there you have it. Our protein is now a fully functional, perfectly folded, and correctly packaged machine. It has its shipping address, and it's ready to go do its job, whether that's becoming part of the cell membrane, working as an enzyme inside the cell, or being shipped out of the cell entirely to travel somewhere else in the body.